I learned that people are complicated and more important than anything else.
And what?
More important than anything else. People.
People more important. What did I learn from my father? I don't know, the thing that comes to mind, you're supposed to say the first thing that comes to mind when you play this game, I guess, is that I think what I learned was to just keep trying harder. That doesn't sound very sensible, but and also, I guess, to try and be a decent person. I think we all have that.
But Daddy also, if you watched him in his life, if you watched Daddy in his life, he suffered. He suffered emotionally because when things weren't right, when he couldn't make things right, he suffered. He was an extremely feeling person, and he wanted to communicate to people about justice and the importance of justice in the world, and when it didn't work, or when it wasn't working, or when he himself, inside himself, didn't know how to go on that way with it, he suffered. He suffered, and it's in his writings. It's in all his writings.
He visited us right after Michael was born. It was my firstborn. It was September 8th. 2000 and I'm sorry, 1970. And he died on
November 9th, I think it was.
8th, I think it was.
Something like that.
I think so. This was September 8th, and there's this little infant in the crib, and he said, he looked at me and he said, "So, it starts again." And I still remember that because it's really quite a profound, when you think of it, a profound statement.
Right.
And he was good at that. He had the gift of words, and
of profundity, and the gift of profundity also.